Here are solutions to homework set number 4 for ECE 463-663 Modern Control. This homework set looks at using Lagrangian dynamics to find the dynamics of a cart-and-pendulum system and a ball and beam system. Now the first problem is, suppose I have a cart-and-pendulum system like this. The mass of the base is 2 kilograms, the ball is 3 kilograms, and the length is 1 meter. What are the dynamics? Well, to do that, we'll use the Lagrangian formulation. That means we find the kinetic energy and potential energy of the system. For the first mass, the cart, its coordinates are x and 0. Derivative is x dot and 0. Potential energy is 0. Kinetic energy is 1/2 mv squared, or x dot squared. Mass number 2. Its position is x plus 1 times sine theta. Y position is cosine theta. Take the derivative, I get x dot plus cosine theta theta dot. Y2 dot is minus sine theta theta dot. Potential energy is mgy. Kinetic energy is 1/2 m x dot squared plus y dot squared. Substitute, multiply out, simplify. Cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. Gives you this for the kinetic energy. The Lagrangian then is kinetic energy minus potential energy. To find the force on the cart, take the full derivative of the partial derivative with respect to x dot minus the partial derivative with respect to x. Partial with respect to x dot gives you 5x dot, nothing, 3 cosine theta theta dot. Partial with respect to x is nothing. Now take the full derivative, gives you 5x double prime, chain rule. Derivative with respect to the second term, theta double prime. Derivative with respect to the first term is minus 3 sine theta theta dot theta dot. For the torque on the beam, the torque is the full derivative of the partial with respect to theta dot minus the partial with respect to theta. Partial with respect to theta dot, nothing, 3 theta dot, 3 cosine theta x dot. Partial with respect to theta is nothing, nothing, minus 3 sine theta x dot theta dot. Minus g sine theta. I think I got a sign error here. Full derivative with respect to time is theta double prime, x double prime, minus 3 sine theta theta dot x dot. This term. These terms cancel, giving you this for the torque. So here's the dynamics. I can put that in matrix form. Solve for the acceleration, gives you 5, 3 cosine theta, 3 cosine theta, 3 for the mass matrix is force torque plus that. Linearize about x equals 0. Linearize by 0 with t equals 0. I get 5, 3, 3, 3, 1, 0. Small angles, this is small. That is just 3g theta. Invert, and I get the dynamics. Put that in matrix form. States are x theta x dot theta dot. Here's x double prime is minus 1.5 g times theta, second state. Theta double prime is plus 2.5 g times theta. 0.5 minus 0.5, or plugging numbers. Here's the dynamics. So we're going to be using that throughout the entire semester. If you want to linearize or control the system, here's your A matrix, here's your B matrix. That's for the linearized system for small angles. I can check in MATLAB, throw it into MATLAB, find the eigenvalues, and this is unstable. If I flip the sign of gravity, I'll be at plus minus 4.9 J. I'm oscillatory. Second problem. Find the dynamics for a ball and beam system. So here's the beam, motor with a torque. That causes the beam to go up and down. On top of the beam, I've got a ball. Assume the beam has inertia of 4 kilogram meter squared. The ball has inertia of 3 kilograms. What are the dynamics? So in this case, I need to specify the kinetic energy, potential energy of the system. The ball's position is r cosine theta, r sine theta, and this distance is r. X dot is r dot cosine theta minus r sine theta theta dot. Y dot is r dot sine theta plus r cosine theta theta dot. Potential energy is mgy, so it's mg r sine theta. Kinetic energy is 1/2 j theta dot squared plus 1/2 m x dot squared plus y dot squared, plus as the ball's rolling, this the rotational inertia. Assuming a solid sphere, it will be 1/5 mr dot squared. We did that derivation earlier. Substitute. Here's x dot, here's y dot. Square it, multiply it out, simplify. Here I've got cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. Sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. The cross terms, minus 2 cosine theta sine theta plus 2 cosine theta sine theta. Cancel. Bunch of algebra later. Here's the kinetic energy, or this. Now, from LaGrangian, is kinetic energy minus potential energy. The force on the ball is the full derivative of the partial derivative of L with respect to theta r dot minus the partial of r L with respect to r. So here is partial with respect to r dot, full derivative with respect to time, partial with respect to r. Here's an r, there's an r. So there's one set of dynamics. The torque on the beam, here's LaGrangian, full derivative with respect to t of the partial with respect to theta dot minus partial of L with respect to theta. Here's a theta dot. Nothing, nothing, nothing. There's a theta dot. Theta, there's theta. Take the full derivative, is 4 theta double prime, chain rule, 3r squared theta double prime, 6r r dot theta dot. So taking those dynamics, here's the first equation, here's the second equation, there's the mass matrix. Linearizing about 1 meter gives you, these go away, that goes away, this is theta, that's theta. Inverting, put in state space form, here's your dynamics. And again, we'll be using that throughout the semester. Whenever we want to control the ball and beam system, here is the linearized dynamics about 1 meter, there's A, and there's B. Checking MATLAB, throw in MATLAB, here's the poles. This has a stable pole, unstable pole, and 2 poles at plus minus j 2.3. That is homework set number 4 for ECE 463 Modern Controls.